I've actually been in the dental field for over 20 years, and back in 2017 became an independent dental consultant, and over the years I've had a lot of dental work done. I'm no stranger to the dental chair, that's for sure. And you know, I've worked with a lot of doctors. In the last 6 months, I ended up losing 2 of my lower teeth already from grinding my teeth so much. I have 8 kids, and you know, a lot of stress and just different things happening, you know, where then you're forced to try to get used to a removable denture, which, you know, has popped out when I'm talking or come loose when I'm trying to eat. And it to be pretty embarrassing when you're, you know, giving a speech or you're talking and, you know, your denture or your flipper moves. So this is what my temporary looks like. It's got my 2 teeth on it, and I've got my 2 missing teeth here. And these are what Dr. Tran is going to replace for me, and I'm excited. So no more temporary dentures. So it's funny because I had veneers for so long and they were almost too perfect. They were very straight across, very white. So the first thing I noticed when we put them in was that they looked so much more natural. And the way that my lips felt, you know, the way that everything felt just felt different. If you know me and you know that I've had dental work done, you can tell that there's something different, but you can't really tell because it's just so minor. It's really incredible how different your smile can look with just a small little like adjustment. Like my 2 front teeth and these 2 teeth right here next to it were very like even. They were all just straight across. And now they're a little bit shorter, and then my canines are a little bit more pointy, and it just changes the look of your face and your smile. One of the greatest benefits of the Forever Smile, you don't have to go anywhere else. You're having your treatment done from start to finish. There's no scheduling an appointment and waiting for another doctor to communicate. So that way patients aren't having to go to different providers, pay different fees. It's just a one-stop shop. You make it easy and affordable for you to get it done quickly, and even if you're traveling 3,000 miles across the country to get it done. We got to go visit the Forever Smile Dental Lab, and their technicians are amazing. They really do take the time to get your perfect shade. They were really, really accommodating to make sure that I got exactly what I wanted. I cannot wait to bite into an In-N-Out cheeseburger. Fully loaded, everything on it. I cannot wait to bite into that. When you have your permanent restoration placed, it literally feels like your natural teeth. It does not feel like a denture or a partial or anything. Like, it doesn't feel like a prosthetic. It feels natural.
Take a look. Ready to see the new you?
Ah! I love it. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.